anticipation as the world around us careens into a Christmas frenzy. We in the church do just the opposite. We slow down. We enter into a gentle, purposeful season we call Advent. We light candles. We sit still. We're counting the days until Christmas just like everyone else. But as we count the days, we mark each day with prayer and with small acts of kindness. We're waiting for Christmas, but we're not tracking Santa on NORAD. Instead of buying more and eating more and drinking more, we're trying to give more. We are wide awake, but we're not looking for flying reindeer. We're looking for those gentle glimmers of human goodness that emerge in the dark places in life. We're trying to be those glimmers of human goodness.
We get caught up in the traffic and the rush too. But we're taking time to remember that Christmas is not just about opening presents, it's about opening hearts.